Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how you get free Lego sets. So go to whatever you have, the App Store, Google Play, whatever. Look up Feature Points. Sorry, I had bad spelling. Download this app, and I'm going to open it. When you open it up, I'm sorry. So when you open it up, you can put in a code. The code will be for 50 free points. Right here, what I have. Put in 7568HE, and then you can play games and stuff for free points, and then you can redeem these for Amazon points. And you can use these Amazon points for Lego sets. If you're not in the US, you can use PayPal. And if you don't want free Lego sets, you can head over here and look around everywhere for free stuff. There's a lot of stuff, and if you want to earn even more, you could do what I'm doing and make your own video. You could also put in genres as a code, whichever one you want. So yeah guys, enjoy your free Lego sets. Bye.